Is your YouTube channel dead? No views, no growth, no motivation? I want to tell you it's not over. First, one of the things you need to do is to revisit your old thumbnails. Let me talk to you from experience. Like I said in one of my videos, thumbnails are connection between you and your potential viewers. Alright, if I see a very pleasant thumbnail, that the 100% tendency is for me to click and know what that video is all about, even before looking at the title. Go and revisit your old thumbnails. Work on them, give them a retouch. Another thing is, go and optimize your title. What does it mean to optimize title? To optimize title meaning you make that title suitable to the algorithm. In other words, a title that is optimized is a title that pops out when people are searching for things on YouTube. Alright, does your video pop out when people search for things on YouTube? So an optimized title will always pop out in the search result. Another thing you need to do is this. Check all your videos whether they have end screen. Many of us will have been practicing YouTube for quite some time and we fail to use the end screen, we fail to use the cards. Check all your old videos, go back to them, edit them one after the other. Check your cards, check your end screen. What are end screen? That's a set of videos that pops up on the four corners of your screen, like showing you the next content that preferably go and watch this particular content. After you finish watching a creator's video on YouTube, the end screen is what you see at the last part of the video. While the cards, those write-ups that pop up periodically on the screen while you are watching, you need to go and update everything. Then another thing you need to do is this. Go and update your description. Your description actually, lets the algorithm know what your video is about. And your algorithm now knows who to push the video to. In other words, serving food to the right customers. Another important ingredient you must not miss out in reviving your dead YouTube channel is the use of the paid promotion or non-paid promotion. Alright, if it is a paid promotion, what does it mean when it's a paid promotion? Brands reach out to you on YouTube, either through your email, to help us promote or market this particular product. If you are bringing in a slide of the product in course of your video, let YouTube know that there is a paid promotion. If you are not doing that, let YouTube also know that there is no paid promotion in this particular video. All of YouTube features are very, very important and you must maximize and make use of them. Then another important aspect you must check in all your videos, this aspect of altered content. If you are creating your content with AI, it means that content is altered content. It makes something look realistic and that thing is not really real. It's an altered content. So you must always state that it is an altered content or not. Don't just leave that place blank. And let me burst your bubble. I recently revisited an old channel. Things have not been posted on this channel. And I checked through all the videos, I saw where the creator has been missing it. And I adjusted and corrected all of this. Today, let me tell you, boom, that channel has peaked. It has started amassing views already. So it doesn't matter how down your channel may be. When you practice these particular steps, you have triggered the algorithm to look at your direction. That is just the sincere truth. Alright, So please carry out this and you're going to see changes. Revisit your thumbnails. Your thumbnails grab attentions. Make them punchy, make them relevant, and make them curiosity driven. Also, start your YouTube hidden tools. Start making use of your YouTube hidden tools like the end screen, the card, and the timestamps. The timestamps, you see some people's video, when they shoot a video, you'll be seeing chapters in their videos. Those things are very, very important. Very, very important. What chapters do is that they will take the viewer to that particular area that he or she is very interested in, or maybe he or she just wants to watch. Do you get it? And it helps you rank in search results. After uploading, don't leave your video hanging. Optimize your description, like I've said earlier. So when you optimize your description, it connects with the viewer. Then use hashtags that actually match your content. In other words, your hashtag must resonate with your content. I should not be posting a technology video and I'm using hashtags on entertainment. No, it doesn't work. Also, don't forget to tell YouTube what kind of content it is. Is it half-authored or fully original? Paid content or not paid? So this helps YouTube serves your video to the right audience. So when it is a video that has paid promotion, YouTube will take it to people that need such a product. You understand? So all of those features, don't feel that maybe you are trying to, cheat. You can't. You can't do that on the YouTube app or the YouTube algorithm. Alright. So YouTube favors channels that follow a system. That's one thing you must also know. YouTube favors channel that follows its system. So a system is talking about a standard that has been set. So far you can follow that standard, you also maximize and make success. You will not be the one to come and say you want to break the system. No, you have to follow the system. All right, because YouTube has everything you need to be great. That's it. So do this right, and you start seeing your channel rise from the dead. All right, now let's get your channel back in the game, starting from now. So do all of this, and you're going to be glad that you did them. All right. So I just gave you a testimony, and another thing I want to say is this: I help people optimize their content. I help people, optimize. I help assist during optimization. So if you need any of my services, I would like you to go to my description, the description of this video. Contact me via my email or my WhatsApp number that is there. And I will reply to you as soon as possible. Alright, you need assistance for thumbnail creation. You don't know how to create a thumbnail. You need tutorials for video editing. Just chat me up. As well, you want to go through some of my courses, just hop on to seller.com. Once you go to my description, you're going to see the link to my seller channel. So just quickly go to my seller channel and hop and follow one of my courses, and you're going to see your channel blowing up. And I started practicing all of this, and it started working for me, and that's the reason why I'm creating this video. So awaiting your chats, awaiting your feedbacks as regarding this particular video. Know that this is the Learn with Peter channel, and I'm always here to assist you, to help you with one or two things regarding your YouTube channel. Alright, see you in my next post. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.